How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add texture in Krita. So first things first, you want to go ahead and basically just add your layer. In my case, I'm going to be putting the texture into my paint layer right here. Right after that, you then want to basically just look for the texture that you want to put. In my case, I'm going to be inserting this one. Right click on it, click on copy image, and then you could just press Ctrl V on Krita. From there, select the first one, which is to download from the remote source. Click on OK, click on yes, and then this will then show up. So you could just make sure to align everything with this one, and basically right after that, highlight both groups in the layer section. Right click on it, click on group, quick group, and then you want to select the alpha button in the wood texture right here. It will simply look something like this. So to proceed, let's click on the wood texture. You want to lower down the opacity, and basically from there you will get this wood texture into this specific layer. Once again, you can then adjust this or apply this to any one of your layers, but that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.